Hey, it's Jenna from Sip Bite Go here, and today we're talking about making those viral sweet potatoes.
It's so good.
So let's get right into it. What you're going to need to do is poke holes into your sweet potatoes, make sure they're clean, then lightly spray with olive oil and sprinkle with some salt, and put them on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. All sweet potatoes come in different sizes. I baked mine for about 50 minutes until they were tender. You should be able to really easily poke them with a fork, and they'll start looking a little bit deflated on the outside. Once the sweet potatoes are cool enough to handle, but while they're still warm, you'll cut off one end of each potato, just the very tip, and you want to carefully use a knife to poke a hole lengthwise inside the potato. You don't want to rip the skin, you just want to make a little space for the stuffing. Cut one long piece of butter and place it directly on top of one long piece of mozzarella. Lately, I've also been sprinkling the butter with some sea salt flakes before putting the butter and cheese combo into the potato. The butter and mozzarella will melt inside the hot sweet potato really quickly. Try this viral recipe. Let me know how you like it.
It's so good. It just melts in your mouth.
And if you're a foodie, don't forget to sign up for my Foodie Fridays email list where I send yummy recipes like this one to you every week so you know what to cook on the weekend. I'll see you in the next video.